to Learn Indonesian with Maria. In this channel, I will share you how to learn Indonesian in easy way. So, if you want to learn Indonesian language, please subscribe to this channel. Since this month, our Muslim friends in Indonesia are celebrating Ramadan season, so today I will share you some Ramadan vocabulary word that you need to know. Are you ready to learn with me? Let's get started. The first one is sahur. Sahur. Sahur means pre-dawn meal. And then we have puasa. Puasa. Puasa means fasting as a noun or fast as verb. Haus. Haus. Or sometimes some people also say aus without H. Aus. Haus or aus means thirsty. Then we have lapar. Or some people also call it as lapar. Lapar means hungry. The next word is godaan. Godaan. Godaan means temptation. And then we have ngabuburit. Ngabuburit means killing time before breaking the fast. And then we have buka puasa. Buka puasa. Buka puasa means break the fast. And then we have buka puasa bersama, or more popular called as bukber. Bukber is break the fast with other people. After buka puasa, our Muslim friend usually do taraweh. Taraweh is Ramadan prayer at the evening. And then we also have ngaji. Ngaji means reading the Al-Qur'an. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you think this video is useful, please share it to your friends. And if you like it, don't forget to hit the button like. If you have any comment or special request, please write down on the comment sections below. See you soon on the next video. Sampai jumpa!